Good morning, my Kawaii Squad friends. Today I am going on a high tea at the Mayfair Hotel with my Lolita friends. I'm super excited. It's going to be lots of fun. My friend Dallister is coming over and they're going to get ready with me and we're going to be the cutest little Lolita twins that ever was. So let's hang out, let's eat cake, and let's do fun stuff. Yeah! So, whilst I've been waiting for Dallister to get here, I have been floordinating, trying to figure out what I'm going to wear, because this dress right here isn't actually mine. Dallister was kind enough to lend it to me, because they have this print in, like, every color, because it's their favorite. So, yeah, they have lent me the pink one, because I am the pink person, and I think they're wearing the red one? I can't remember. But either way, I've been trying to coordinate it, because as you guys know, I don't really wear black, so all of these, like, black accentuations in the dress were really tricky for me, so I've been trying to bring out, like, the pinks and the whites in it. So, like, I've got this, the color's flipped. I've got this cute little, Liz Lisa blouse that I got in Japan. So it's got, like, this cute, like, lace along the end of it, so it's, like, white with the pink and spotty lace, which I think kind of matches with, like, this black and spotty lace that's around the edges on the dress. And then we've got my pink pearls. I've got this little pink belt thing to go around it, because Dallister said that they don't have the waist ties for this dress, so I'm going to need something to cinch it in the middle, because that's just how I roll with Lolita. And then coming down here, this is what we're thinking for shoes. Now, I don't know how this is going to look, so it may end up being something a little bit different, but I was thinking I've got these really cute socks, which again are white with pink spots on them. And I was thinking to sort of throw in a bit of black to, like, match with, like, this bustle and all the black bits on the dress. I've also got these socks that I don't even remember when I got these. I've had them for ages, but, like, so I've got, like, just the cute little lace and stuff over it, and they're sheer as well. I thought I could put them over the top of the bottom of these socks, and then I've got my white Vivienne Westwood shoes, because I actually also, conveniently enough, own these shoes in red, which is going to go with Dallister's dress, hopefully. So that's what we've got so far for my outfit. For my bag, I've got this giant love heart bag that I got sent by Zen Plus. Thank you guys. I love you. You're the best. I love this bag so much. So yeah, that's the floordinate so far. And there's Bella guarding it, as she does. I'm impressed she's not actually sitting on it. That's usually what she tries to do. She's just like, oh, look, Mummy's put all the expensive dresses on the floor. Better sit right in the middle of it. So thank you for not sitting on my dress, Bella. Thank you. You're a good floof. So yeah, anyway, that is the floordinate. Hopefully it looks as good as I'm anticipating it will once I put it on my body. Then if we come in here, excuse the mess on the floor, this is what we're doing for hair, I think. So I've got the blonde wig and this cute little, this is actually a baby, the Starshine Bright bow. I've had it for ages, but it just goes with lots of things. And then, of course, a tiara, because I'm a princess. This is possibly going to change, because Dallister said that they have a crown, like a rose gold crown thing, and they have, like, a matching one in red, so I'm probably going to change what this is going to look like once Dallister gets here. Maybe, possibly, who knows? We will see. So I'm gonna, what up guys? I'm gonna go and have some breakfast and have a shower and get myself ready for when Dallister gets here, and then we're gonna do hair and makeup, and then we're gonna go to the high tea together at 2. So yeah, that's what's happening right now, and stuff and things, and hi, Dallister is here. Hello! We vlogging. We vlogging, baby. We vlogging.
Hello.
Hi. Oh my god, that suitcase is just so extra. I love it.
Sponsor me, Killstar.
Yeah, do it. I probably shouldn't say the F-bomb, but there you go. Please, enter my abode. Don't mind my dog who just wants to love you forever. Bella! Bella, what are you doing? What are you doing? We have the Floordnets laid out. We're gonna be all matchy-matchy. So Dalastaire's wearing a black wig and a red crown with their red dress, and I am doing a black crown with my blonde wig. I told you I was going to change this. I told you it was going to happen. But now, it's time to do makeup and get dressed. Unfortunately, now we enter the realm of me and my terrible filming skills. I put the camera in the strangest of places whilst I was doing my makeup, so you couldn't really see my face at all. But it came out really pretty, and I enjoyed it, so, you know, it looked good. Then, when we got in the car, the camera was actually on photo mode instead of video mode, so I got these great photos of me driving, and another one of the sky, instead of this fun video of me and Dalastaire being super excited about the meet we're about to go to. Oh well. We did eventually make it to the meet, and we ran into our cute friends in the lobby, waiting for us to arrive. Don't they all look adorable? Once most of the posse had arrived, it was time for us to head downstairs and go find our table. This venue is just the prettiest place ever. Like, these stairs are just gorgeous and everything was so pretty. Once we made it downstairs, though, that we discovered that they actually mixed up our table. We were supposed to be sitting in a different area, but they'd actually given it to someone else, which turned out really well for us because the area that we were sitting in turned out to be really pretty. Like, look at it. This place is gorgeous. We had a lovely table for all of us to sit at. Once we were seated, they poured the champagne, which was delightful, and then they brought out the food. This is the tray for, like, the non-allergy, like, normal people, which looked really cute. And this is the gluten-free tray and the vegan tray, which was also delicious. And now, without further ado, it is time for the coordinate montage. And now we are heading to the doll's house in the mall to take selfies because that's what we do. There is this giant doll's house right here in the middle of Rundle Mall. Look how freaking cool and exciting this place is. We're gonna go in there and take some photos because it's just so cute and I feel like I should maybe live there. Maybe. Anyway, let's go in and have a look. We're all going. Let's do this thing. Hi! I'm just up here. Oh, this is so cute. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this whole thing is. Oh my.
Yeah, like, it's like so
we were just made to be in here, guys. Like, it was made for us. Looking fabulous there, Jazz. Going up.
It's a pink snake.
It's a what?
You need this fridge.
I need the fridge? I need this whole kitchen. Oh my god, look. Ah, what? Can I just have a pink kitchen? Please? Please? I thought you were just like humping the fridge just then. I was like, what are you
No, I was
doing?
trying to open it.
Oh, right,
Nothing
open
in this
it.
fridge because I'm the snack.
You are the snack. We are going up. We are on the outside of the house because apparently this is where you keep the stairs. For oops, daisies. I almost fell down the stairs. Not ideal. Okay. Oh, this is adorable. Look. Oh, it's like my room. Look, it's Dalastair being adorable. In her own hotbox doll's house room. Da, 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 da. This place is so cute, but hot damn, it is warm up here. Like, I am sweating my makeup off. It's warm. But it's cute. This kitchen is just so cute. I love it so much.
Hi, MTV. Welcome to my crib.
Can I just like move in here? Please. Going down, I will attempt to not fall down the stairs this time. Dalastair, don't fall down the stairs. Most important, don't do it. Okay, we are back in the car. And the high tea and things are done, diddly done. Thank goodness. My goodness, what a time we have just had. We went for a walk and it was warm and we went in the doll's house and that was fun. And then we found a place to take photos and there were these horrible guys that were like taking photos of us without permission. So I went and took photos of them and they got really upset. Because apparently it makes people feel uncomfortable when you take photos of them without asking. Who'd have thought it, right? Ha! So they didn't like that very much, but lesson learned for them, I would say. But anyway, we're gonna like shed all of our lace and our heels and possibly our wigs and go home. Because we are done, dilly done with Lolita and done with people and done with pants. So see you around, YouTube. Love, love. Bye bye now.